Hey, are you like me and you love spending time in your veggie garden and gardening? So for me, when I've got a busy life, I'm running around working and looking after kids and doing everything. For me, spending time in the garden is super important. Not only does it connect me to the earth and the soil, it helps me grow food, which I know is healthy and nutrient dense, and it's just a way to get away from everything else. So I get off the screen, I'm not working, I'm not having to deal with anything else, and then I get to sit in here, pick a few berries that I can eat. Now the reason I created Pip was so that I could share this pleasure with you, with readers, so that you too can learn about the garden, get ideas and inspiration for the garden. And that's what Pip Magazine's all about.